Yeah, and
Look at this slacker coming up here.
I know.
He's a slacker.
That's me carrying my bag. Or actually Damien's bag.
Yeah. Oh, look. That one's carrying dirt to, like, build it.
This one's got
Oh, there's loads coming out now.
Our next eco lodge, that's the car park just there. We've been told to come down this little path, walk along there where Ronan and Damien are going. It's up and behind the trees there, these massive bamboo leaves, bamboo trees even. Yeah, pretty cool. Wow, and these are the lodges. I think we have, well, they're massive. I think we have a whole floor to ourselves. Let's see, because I think there's only two here. I think it's this door. Oh my god. This place is massive. Amazing. Two massive double beds. This is going to happen. This is definitely going to happen. Ooh. Oh, it sinks a bit more than you think. Oh yes, this is what we need. Anyway, we're going to do some chocolate making now. We've got a little chocolate making class that yeah, Joe's has been excited about like all week pretty much. In fact, the last couple of days we've done kind of more kind of Joseph related things. So we went, yeah, we went on a zip wire the other day. Cool. But you like zip wires?
Yeah, that was fun.
Better than the ones down at Dinton Park.
It's a bit more advanced.
Yeah.
A bit more adventurous.
Yeah. And then earlier today we went tubing down one of the rivers. So here's some video of that. Oh god. Oh, we're moving. Oh, my bum's cold. Oh, my bum's cold.
I'm holding! I'm holding!
Oh, it's freezing!
I know!
Woohoo! Oh, we're going.
Oh god!
Oh, we're going down a bit of a rapid here. Watch out! Oh!
This bit's okay.
This is quite nice.
Oh.
Quite nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh god, look at this bit, Joseph! Ah! Hold on! Oh no, look, they're stuck! Whoa! Oh, here's a big bit as well. Oh! Oh! And then last night we went on a night walk. So the guy took us out with our torches, and Emma and I dressed up like something out of
Beekeepers.
like what?
Beekeepers.
Like beekeepers, yeah, basically like beekeepers with our mosquito nets and everything on. So here's some probably slightly very dark footage of that.
What is that? The female.
If you're a male spider, your life is not a happy one.
Why?
Because the females eat the males mostly after they've mated.
Is she going to eat him now?
Or is that female?
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, are they mating?
I think she's just eating him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh Jesus.
She is too.
Yeah, she's cut his head off.
Yeah, she's eating it.
Oh my god, she's actually eating him. Is she?
Yeah.
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 Oh wow, who's...
That's amazing.
Oh yes, she is. Or maybe they are doing something different.
I think they might be mating.
That's so weird when you're right by the road.
Yeah. I think they're mating and then the female's about to eat him. Yeah, because he's still alive. Is he? Nope.
He's dead now.
Good job, Murray. True chef.
Resist the temptation to eat on the job.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, it smells like hot chocolate.
Again, Mum.
Nothing, nada.
Do that again.
See how big it is?
Can I get what?
They are not poisonous. Tarantulas are not poisonous.
Canela y molerlo con canela. Para que te
mean,
salga
if I
un chocolate.
Can you video me doing it?
This is my one.
Goes in beef, chili.
Lemongrass.
Tienes que moverlo de un lado para allá. Arriba, hacia arriba, hacia arriba. La que tú estás haciendo la gruesa está bien.
They're definitely.
Are they really good, Joseph?
Which ones are these? These are Joseph's Mora.
Mora ones.
¿Así está bien? O más o menos.
Ya, pero aquí tienes que meterlo un poco. No había falta de...
That is very good. That is very nice.
Ya lo golpeaste.
Thank you.
Cucumber by slicing it down.
How does he do it? How,
He's just so talented.
like genuinely.
No cuts on our fingers either.
Who knows it?